Greetings everybody, Lefty here. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I am Lefty. I'm Righty. I'm BLG. Using a different tripod today, my fancy one. And we're going to throw together a quick lemon pie. What I got here in this pan right y'all, is just a saucepan and a cup and a half of sugar. And in the saucepan here, we're going to put half of a cup, right there, of cornstarch, like so, right in that pot. Okay? Okay, now we're going to take this here, 1 cup, measuring cup. If you got a 4-cupper or something, that'll work better. I just got this handy for right now. Yeah. And what we're going to do, right y'all, is we're going to kick our heat on. Make sure that lights. Kick our heat on to about maybe 6 or so. Now we'll go to 8. And what we do is we slowly going to stir in our water here into our cornstarch and sugar. Right? We're making the lemon curd for a lemon pie. I've got a graham cracker pie crust already made. Not already made, I made it, but I'm assuming you're just going to buy a pie crust. It's just as easy if you're first time trying to make this stuff from scratch. No cheating with jello pudding or anything like that. Real lemon curd, folks. This is how you do it. Right? We're going to add a cup, right, of water and a half. So 1.5 cups of water. 1.5 cups of water slowly mixed into here, into our mixture here. Like that. Okay? And what we're going to do with this, we're going to slowly keep stirring here, and we're going to bring this up to a boil. And it'll thicken up and stuff, and I'll show you what it looks like in just when it starts to boil, and we'll watch it thicken up. Yes, and we're going to let it go like a couple more minutes or seconds after that or something. I'll show you when it comes back to a boil. Alrighty folks, I don't know if you can see, we're coming up to a boil here, and this is starting to thicken, see? Thicken like a chicken. And then we're going to get this to boil. Keep all these clumps out. You're supposed to constantly stir, but I've been running and doing stuff real quick and coming back and stirring occasionally. It still might just be a little bit lumpy on you. No big deal. That's why I switched over to a whisk. I'm going to whisk this away like Calgon. Whisking me away, Calgon. If you guys are old enough, you might remember that. See how it's getting thick now? Now this is going to come up thick. I got to kick this leg over. They don't stay where I put them. You have to adjust this tripod, which is fine. Alright, so we're going to stir this. It's thick enough. And this is going to thicken and boil for 1 minute. I'm going to hold on to the pot now. Just like that. And we're thickened and boiled. Just like so. We're going to leave the heat on. Now what I got in this pot, right y'all, is 3 beaten egg yolks. No whites, just egg yolks. Right? And I got 6 drops of yellow food coloring in. That's optional. It gives your lemon pie the yellow. Now what I'm going to do is slowly put about half of this mixture into the egg yolks here. I'm blocking the view. About like that. And I'm going to stir this down real quick like this. See? And back in it goes to the main mixture. Again, a spoon would have been a great option, but we're just winging it here today, folks. We're getting her done. There we go. Get that off of me. Now we're going to stir this into here, see? See how it's going to become all yellowy and good looking-y? You want to do this slow with the pouring the stuff in with your egg yolks, or you'll cook your egg yolks and you'll have scrambled lemon. Now this is going to come up to a boil for about 30 seconds. And that's what it's doing right now, see? Now you just shut off your heat. And what we got over here, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You see here? 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of butter. In it goes. Just like that. We're going to grab our pot and we're going to stir this in. I'm trying to switch hands here for you. Like this. Got the heat off. Just going to let this all melt in and get all gooey goodness. Just like so. Okay? Just letting that butter do its thing. Melting in there. It's inside the cage of the whisk. It's trapped and it can't get out. There we go. Then you got your lemon curd there, folks, for a lemon pie filling. Or this makes really good donut filling too. Oh God, people. Really good donut filling. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over from the whisk. We're done with that. I'm going to get a little scrapey thingy. And I'm going to rotate you guys right over to there. Alright? And we're going to take this and we're going to pour it out of the pan into this here pie shell that I made, the pie crust. Like I said, I'm assuming you just made your own, which works just fine. You have to pre-cook it, follow the package instructions for baking the pie shell. This doesn't get baked anymore, it's done. Get this here. I'll tell you in a second how to do the graham cracker crust shell here that I made. It's really easy. I'll tell you how to do it. You can try it on your own. Okay, got that. That goes over there. We'll smooth this out on our pie. Looking all wonderful and good. Lemony goodness. Smear this around. Slather that over there. Yes, sir. Lemony pie. My favorite. Just like that. I've been craving one for a while. Alright folks, we're zoomed in, and there you have it. A quick, easy, lemon curd, homemade lemon pie. Okay folks, you might wonder how I did the pie crust if you want to try it yourself. I did preheated the oven to 375 Fahrenheit, got that all done, and I put in 1.5 cups of crushed graham cracker crumbs. Buy your package of graham crackers. One of the packages that's like, you know, a brick is 1.5 cups. Smash them. That's 1.5 cups, folks. Don't even need to measure it out. I put 1/3 cup of sugar in there in a big bowl with the crumbs, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and worked it all together with a stirry thingy, spatula thing, until it was like all crumbly and stuff. And I lightly packed it into the pan there, and baked it in the oven for 375 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Took it out, put it on a cooling rack, and let it cool. And now, look what we got. Look what we got. Oh my God, we got lemon pie. BLD's gonna have a heart attack. Oh fuck yeah, oh fuck yeah. You just put that in your mouth. Serve it up. Serve it up. And, that's another episode, Hands On with BLG. Hope you enjoyed it. For Hands On with BLG, I am BLG, I am Lefty, and I am Mighty. Lemon pie. Fuck yeah. We'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace out, peoples. Yeah, peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.